Hello and welcome to this video on how to use GivePulse for Iowa State students. This is the 7th video in this series of tutorials, and it covers navigating your dashboard page. So we're just going to walk through the dashboard page and what is there for you and how you can use it to easily navigate through GivePulse. So as normal, you can log in using Facebook if you've linked that to your account, or just log in with your email and password you've linked to the account, which is what I've done. And here you are, starts you off at your dashboard page. So the first thing you'll see is the groups that you have joined or associated yourself with. This will be empty if you've not joined any groups. I've got a few here. You can navigate to these groups and see what's going on, other people that are in the group's impact in the community here, which is really cool to kind of keep an eye on, the number of people in the group, upcoming volunteer opportunities, their monthly impacts, which is really, all these things are just really cool to me, or powerful volunteer resources to have. Alright, going back to my page here, you can do the same for any of the groups that you see. Classes. I've had a couple classes that I've worked with using GivePulse, and these work similar to groups but on a private level and normally use a little more communication. Usually you're doing service learning or volunteering through classes, but you can experience that if you have a class or if this is used in a class that you take. And then events to manage. So this is if you are the person creating the events. And I do this a lot. You may not have many of these, but maybe you do. And this is where you can manage events. I accidentally hit back. Let me click dashboard again. So I am back at my dashboard. So that covers the My Membership portion here. If we're scrolling down, my registrations, your upcoming events, I don't have any, but if I wanted to sign up for one, I could click Find One Now. This is just like having clicked the Get Involved tab. And there are the events that you can scroll through if you'd like. Past events, so this are past things that I volunteered for. The list sort of goes on, but if I haven't added an impact for an event, it'll tell me, and I can click Add Impact for that event or confirm that you were at that event. And I have more here than I would have thought that I didn't add an impact for. That's irrelevant though for now. Okay, so I'm going to go back to upcoming events. So, and at the bottom, it is your messages. So you can use GivePulse as an email hub or center if you'd like to keep your volunteer or service learning communication sort of limited and not clutter your own inbox. You can manage it here. If you receive an email here, it will actually forward to your inbox, but it will be clear saying this is from GivePulse, and you'll need to come to GivePulse to reply to that message. Over here on the right, it would have, let me see if I can navigate back. Nope. Well, if you have upcoming events that you're registered for, it will tell you, and it will be highlighted over here in your calendar. And these colors, will tell you whether you're registered for the event or if you're managing the event. The color will denote that on the calendar. And then it has your little charts over here on the sort of bottom right, showing your activity in GivePulse, your volunteer, your service learning, and your engagement in your community, or your impact in your community. And that is a quick rundown of the dashboard page. From the dashboard page, you can navigate anywhere, profile, groups, classes, etc., etc. I hope that this was helpful in showing you how to use your dashboard page. One last note is a cool feature, I think. You sort of have a running total of your impact, your hours served in your community, and your groups up here in the top right hand corner. Pretty powerful thing that other volunteer management centers don't have. Alright, I hope this was helpful.